Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Thursday, August the 3rd. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your room. Any questions, you can send them off to this address. This is the address to get it, or email address. This is the address to get into the room. This is a subscription link with a promo code there. The room is open at 9 o'clock approximately Eastern Time. And I get live, that's when I start sharing my screen, and I get live on the mic at about 9:05. Apologize for yesterday's video. Something happened with the audio, so it didn't, for some reason, the audio didn't come through, so we pulled it. Kind of a choppy day for me. I'm not going to go over, I'm not going to go over really too many trades. I just really want to take a look at Teva. Teva was one that I mentioned in the pre-market that this, if I had one that I thought might have been an all-day short, this was it. Just based on what I was seeing in terms of support, resistance, and all. I tried to get this one short several times, and for whatever reason, and I know some other people in the room were able to do it, my broker just wouldn't allow me to fill it. Probably the uptick rule was there, but I was going in, so if the bid was 25 and the ask was 26, as an example, I was seeing sales go in at 26, and I had my bid to short it at 25. It just never filled. So I watched that thing go all the way down. But anyway, a lot of people in the room, very happy that they were in it, and have to see what happens with this one tomorrow. This was earnings, just obviously bad earnings for it. It's a pharmaceutical. So anyway, and look on the 15 minutes. I mean, that's just a beautiful down move. Hardly any froth at all. You could have stayed in this one for a long time. But anyway, it's just one of those things that can happen. I just want to point out one nice trade from the room is Comms, and Real pointed this one out. I think it was about right here. I think he got in just underneath that whole number. I actually took the trade right around here. Did get out, but this was just a nice call by Real in the room. This is another one of those that had earnings. Look at the big gap down pre-market. This is all the pre-market action. Tried to come up, market open, and then it just started turning around slowly. So he made that call in the room, and a lot of people I know took that trade. And I am watching this one. I actually got in and out of this one. I took a little bit of a gain on this one, but not as much as I should have, or a little loss, sorry. This is one that I had on an alert, and I may get back into it by the end of the day. Take a look at the daily. I think you'll see why. Take a look at that fantastic gap, and I had the alert set actually I had a couple alerts set just underneath the whole number. I think it was 1593, and then just over the whole number. I ended up getting in that trade at 1605, and it really did pop up. Got all the way up to 1640 or so. It was spready though, so it's not like I could have sold it at 1640. I think at that point the bid was 1625, so it was spready. Otherwise, if I could have sold it at 1640, I certainly would have taken some off. But anyway, still watching this one. My thought is that if it can close strongly, I may take some for a potential swing trade, because this is just a great looking daily. Earnings are 9 days ago. This is the earnings down here. And so it got beaten up on earnings. So now it's a matter of just watching to see if it can really start filling that void. I mean, it's got about $3 or $4 if it wants to get back up. I'm not saying it is, but if it wants to, it's got that look to it. And that's really it. I had a few little scalp trades. Noble Energy got taken out, I think, of Axta was another one. Diamond Drilling. Or Diamond Offshore, yeah. Got in and out of that one. So it was a bit of a choppy day for me, I have to admit. Not as good as yesterday for me. I know a lot of people in the room did very well. But, as usual, all my losses are usually very small. I have a very strict, I'm pretty disciplined. Do not let my ego get in the way. If I'm in the trade, and especially if I'm on a whole number break, and if it breaks down below that whole number, I just get out. My thought is maybe I was early. I can always get back in if it breaks over that whole number again. But if it breaks down below, I get out and just move on. So anyway, that is about it. I want to get back into the room, see if there's going to be anything in the last couple of 2.5 hours, see if there's going to be anything interesting to take. Again, if you have any questions, info@trade-ideas.com. This is the address to get into the room. The room is totally free, 100% free. No credit cards, no nothing, no strings attached, honestly. The room is free. Obviously, what we ultimately would love for you to do is take out a subscription to Trade Ideas. I'm in the room all day long, of course, helping people understand how to use the program as well as trading. But the room predominantly is a trading room, But of course, I will help people if they ask me questions about the program itself. So I'll open the room tomorrow at about 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope everybody has a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.